Everyone loves the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and why wouldn't they? This is probably the most powerful drone you can buy under 249 grams and under $1,000 with the remote. It's a good deal. To be honest, it's a very good deal if you're in the market for a new drone. But I've been flying this drone for a few months now, actually quite a few months now. I've flown it over hills, cities, over the forest, over the water, you name it. And I have found some issues with this drone which are not deal breakers, but in the long run, they do become slightly annoying. So in this video, I would love to address the issues with this particular drone and actually tell you guys how to fix them so that you guys actually have a really good experience flying this particular drone. Without wasting any more time, let's roll the intro. I wanted to record the rest of the video outside. It's my day off, and it's raining. It's raining pretty heavily right now, and I don't think it's going to stop. Problem number one: footage that has been over sharpened for absolutely no reason. I have noticed that the over sharpening effect is common in a lot of GoPros, and it's the same for the DJI Mini 4 Pro as well. And it's especially bad if you're using the normal color profile. Let me give you guys two fixes for this particular over sharpening issue with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Number one is to use D-Log-M. That is the log color profile for the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, and using the log profile, you can actually color correct it and even color grade it professionally in post-production. I know the file sizes will be bigger than your regular color profile, and also while recording it will look flat, but trust me, using a log profile, especially for a drone, is way more beneficial in the long run than actually using the regular color profile and actually over sharpening everything in its view and making it look like some amateur took that shot. Now, I get it if you don't want to color grade or even color correct your profile in order to get the best possible result, and if you just want some good quality footage straight out of your drone and to just post on social media, here's a much more simpler fix to this particular issue. All you have to do is turn down the sharpness level from the settings menu like the way I'm showing you on the remote right now, and turn it down by 0.1 or 0.2, and that should do the trick. Problem number two that I've noticed with this particular drone is that it doesn't have a variable aperture. The aperture of this drone is f1.7, and it's amazing for low light situations because it's wide open, but when it's bright outside or it's the middle of the day, your footage tends to be blown out. Now, without an ND filter, this is how it looks, and as you can see, it's completely blown out. That's because I'm using the manual mode, but if I switch it to auto, it should perfectly fix the exposure, but that means it has raised either the shutter speed to an exponential amount and you won't get that cinematic motion blur. The only way you can actually get cinematic footage out of this drone is by having ND filter and choose the correct settings in the remote itself. Once I put the ND filter, and I'll keep the same settings as you can see on the remote, and we'll see how it looks. Now, with the ND filter on, the exposure, as you can see on the remote, it looks perfect. I did not even change the settings of the drone. The shutter speed is still at 1/50, ISO is still at 100, and it's still recording at 4K at 24 frames per second. So you do absolutely need an ND filter to record the perfect cinematic footage, and get it either from DJI or from a different brand. I'll have a few links in my description below and you can check them out for yourself. But do get a set of ND filters, and trust me, you'll thank me later. Look at this guy. Such a stoic character. He's the one that's been helping me shoot this entire video. He's the man behind the camera, and he's been doing a phenomenal job. Look at those eyes. Okay. The final problem that I've noticed with the DJI Mini 4 Pro is that the internal memory of this particular drone is basically non-existent. The DJI Mini 4 Pro comes with 2 GB of internal memory, which sounds helpful on paper, but I ran through it under 10 minutes shooting 4K, and you probably will too. Here's my quick and easy solution to this particular problem. I make an effort to actually carry multiple micro SD cards with me when I'm going out for a shoot, and you don't even have to get the best of these micro SD cards. Get something that's reliable like the one I have from SanDisk, and I'll have a link of all of these small accessories in the description below. And make sure that you are storing all your data in the micro SD card itself. And with this simple yet effective way, you can easily make sure you're having a smooth experience flying the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now, these aren't huge issues, but they do get annoying from time to time. And with the fixes that I have mentioned in this particular video, you should be able to have a great experience flying this awesome drone every single time. And if you found this video even the slightest bit of helpful, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And like always, I really do appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, enjoy your summer.